Building a wood fence from individual components instead of pre-built panels gives you more control over style, spacing, and budget. We'll show you how to install the fence posts, rails, and pickets step by step. The fence posts need to be taller than the pickets, since part of each post will be buried, and the pickets will sit a few inches off the ground. Dig the post holes according to any local codes. Typically, a third of the post should be below ground. Add 4 inches of gravel at the bottom of each hole for drainage. Place the posts in the holes along the layout line and brace them so they don't move. Pour concrete to about 2 inches below ground level so you can refill the dirt later. Keep posts plumb as the concrete sets. Once the posts set, attach the horizontal rails, or stringers. Typically, you'll need to install one for every 2 feet of post height. Pre-drill the holes to avoid splitting the wood. Attach the bottom stringer 6 inches from the ground, with one end flush to the post. Then, attach the middle and top stringers. Attach furring strips to the posts and stretch string between them to use as a guide to keep the top of the pickets even. For the gate posts, install 2x4 spacers between the horizontal stringers to support the gate hardware. Place the first picket at a corner or gate post and align it with the guide string and nail it in place. Use a level to check the pickets. At the corners, overlap the edge of the last picket in a run with the first picket in the next run. With the right layout and tools, you can build a fence that adds privacy and style to your outdoor space.